Hello everyone. In this video I will tell you how can you download Python. So for downloading Python, right here Python download and then go to this link download Python and then go to this downloads and then click here Python 3.13.6 and you can see my Python installer get downloaded. Now double click it. So as I have already installed it, but you will see like this when you will double click that. So then click next and then again install. So here you can see this is showing thank you for using Python. So close it, then search for IDLE and you can see here Python is installed and now I can open it. So wait it till this open. So let me try again. So here you can see Python is installed and successfully opened. So this is how you can install Python in your Windows. Thanks for watching.